Hey guys, what's going on? It's Tyler from NELLYS Security, and in today's video, we are going to be unboxing the Vivotek 5 megapixel fixed lens turret, the IT9380-HF2. It's an awesome 5 megapixel camera, shoots video at 20 frames per second with a 100-foot IR range, IP66 weatherproof rating, IK10 vandal-proof rating. This camera has a lot going for it, and today we're gonna see what's inside the box. All right, we got our box here. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what we have inside. First thing we'll see right on top, we've got our mounting gear. We've got some screws, some drywall anchors. We have a hex wrench, and we have this tiny little plastic piece, which will cover up the hole for the cable. We'll check that out in a second. Inside here, we have our quick start guide, and we've got our alignment sticker. Well, let's see what else we got in here. Our turret. In the box, we've also got our weatherproof grommet for weatherproofing the Cat 5 connection. And anything else in here? No, it doesn't look like it. This is a heavy box. All right, let's get that out of the way. And here is our turret. It's got a really nice metallic body. It's lightweight, but it still feels really solid. I really like the housing on this camera. We've got our 2.8 millimeter fixed lens here. We have these two separate IR windows. We also have a built-in microphone on this model, which you'll see right here. Taking a look at the cable pigtail. This is something I like about these cameras. At least this model right here only has the PoE port here. There's no additional connection for a 12-volt DC cable. It's only got this Ethernet port, so it only works with power over Ethernet, which, I mean, in my experience, most people who get a camera like this, they're gonna be using power over Ethernet anyway. So this is a really nice streamlined cable. Down here in the bottom, you'll see that we do have a hole here in the base to make a path for the cable to come out the side. However, if the cable is gonna be coming out the top like this, like I mentioned earlier, this camera does come with a little rubber stopper that we can insert into the hole. And that way we have a solid body. There's no way for any elements to get in there. I'm gonna leave this out for now. We also have a hex wrench here, which is used for loosening and tightening the tension screw. Once we loosen that, that's going to release the tension, and we're gonna be able to move the lens around more freely. We're also gonna be able to take it apart like this. We have the base. This is how you will install the camera. Just screw it into place. We have the camera itself right here, and we have the sleeve, which with that tension screw holds the camera into place into the base. And on the back of the camera, you'll see that we do have 3 hex screws here, and we will use the same hex wrench to loosen these screws in the back. Once we have these screws loosened, the camera opens up like this, and you'll see that on the motherboard here, we do have a slot for a MICROSD card. This can hold, I believe, up to 1 terabyte of data, which is crazy. I kind of like it when the MICROSD card is hidden inside the camera. It makes it more inconvenient for us, for sure, but it also makes it more inconvenient for thieves. They can't just walk up to the camera and easily pop out that MicroSD card. To reassemble this, we're simply going to put the cord through, line up our camera, and honestly, this is one of the easiest turrets that I've dealt with in terms of disassembling and reassembling. You don't have to line anything up. You really don't have to wrestle with it. You just slip it into place and tighten that screw, and you're good to go. And that is the Vivotek 5 megapixel fixed lens turret. Thank you guys so much for checking out this quick video. Be sure to tune in tomorrow where we will be checking out the 2 megapixel fixed lens Vandal Dome. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us across social media for more security tech tutorials, tips, and reviews. Happy installing, and I will catch you in the next video.